Taking a buy or a sell in the market, it's all based on the strong signal you get from the market. That's why you have to master the chart patterns. Welcome to the Trading Focus once again. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use triple tops and bottoms in the market to master buy and sell entries. That sounds amazing, guys. Subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, like the video, and we see you in a minute on our today's video. Okay, welcome back. So let's start from the triple top. Okay, so the triple top is a bearish reversal chart pattern. It will appear when the market is moving up, you see, from the downside. So then the triple tops will appear in the areas of reversal, and when it appears, it will be signaling the reversal to the downside. Okay, so meaning that these are three tops are formed on the top, and we have also a neckline from the downside, this support, okay, to rejections. So we have a neckline. So when we are looking for sell, we are going to be waiting from the neckline, so, or even from someone who knows how to trade the order block, we'll be waiting from the areas of supply zones. Okay, so now after making a low, breaking the neckline, you are waiting for the high to make a retracement from the areas of an order block or the neckline, so that you are going to be taking a sell, expecting the market to move down or to change the direction to the downside. Okay, so remember, the stop loss will be above the tops. Okay, and then you are expecting the market to move in the downtrend. Okay, so now after this, we are going to take an example from the chart to see how the triple tops are formed and how can we enter from the confirmation of that chart pattern. Here now we have GBP USD, so we are now rejecting from this area. I have to check where are we rejecting from the higher time frame. We need to check where this reaction comes from. So this is a reaction from this area. Okay, so as long as we reject from this area, and this area is the higher time frame supply zone, so also we are rejecting from this area. So now we are going to be focusing on this area and see, are we rejecting by forming the triple tops? So that's why we are going to be moving to the lower time frame, because as you can see, we've been moving up. Okay, so this reaction is going to be our opportunity to check if we have a triple tops to look for sell from the high. Okay, so now let's move to the lower time frame and see what happens there from the H4 and H1. Okay, moving down to 4-hour time frame. So we are still rejecting from this area, and we started forming a triple top. Okay, so now we need to check it from the lower time frame, even 1 hour, and see what is happening from there. Okay, now 1 hour time frame, we have created the triple tops. Okay, we have a neckline from this area. So remember, we have two ways to be entering from this chart pattern. What are we going to be expecting for is that the market will be breaking below. If we make a retracement from the neckline, that's where we are going to be looking for sell. Okay, so the second entry or another option will be the market breaking below this area, so that when we make a lower high from the order blocks or a supply area, I'm going to be entering for sell. Let's wait and see if the market starts breaking below this area. So if we make a retracement from this area or breaking below and make a retracement from this area, I'm gonna be looking for sell. Okay, we are rejecting from that. Okay, we are moving up, rejection, moving up. So now we are in this area. So if I got a bearish candlestick, I'm going to be looking for sell. Okay, now we have a bearish harami. So now this is the time to enter the market. The stop loss have to be above the previous stronger zone, okay, the previous high from this area, by anticipating the market to be reversing to the downside. Okay, now my target is going to be from that area. So this is my first TP, TP2, TP3, and this one is my target. So now let's wait and see from our confirmation of triple top if we can move down. Okay, we are moving down. Rejection, we are still moving down. TP1, TP2, TP3, we are still moving down. So okay, now we go to our target. So that's how we use the triple top. So now let's move to the triple bottom and see how the triple bottom is formed. Okay, now the triple bottom will appear when the market is moving down, lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so when we start rejecting from the downside, by the formation of the triple bottom, we are going to be ending up with the chart patterns of the triple bottom. So now we create a neckline from this area, we break above from that area, retracement, and we look for the bang entries from the neckline or even from the order blocks. Okay, so now this is a neckline, formation of a neckline, and even from the downside we can get an order block or a demand area. It will be depending on where you are entering from the time frame. Okay, so now this is how the triple bottom are formed. So the areas where we are rejecting from, you have to make sure that those are areas of reversal, because the history repeats itself in the market. As long as you are rejecting from this area multiple times, you are expecting to move up, and then you got a formation of the triple bottom, which is a very strong signal to be expecting the market to be reversing from the downside to the upside. Let's take an example from the chart. Okay, here now we have GBP AUD. So now the market was moving down, as you can see from this area. Okay, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we reached from this area and we created the triple bottom. This formation of triple bottom is the signal that the market is going to change the direction to the upside. We are expecting the market to be reversing to the upside. Okay, so now what are we looking for? We are rejecting from the areas of reversal. We are rejecting from this area. We are rejecting from this area. So that's why we are expecting the market to move upside. So now we are waiting for the confirmation to be entering from the triple bottom. And that confirmation is that as long as we break above the neckline from this area, we are expecting to enter for buy. Okay, and also if we get a confirmation from this area, also we are going to be entering for buy. So as long as the market moves up, making higher highs and higher lows from these areas, we are going to be looking for buy by expecting the market to be reversing to the upside. Let's see if we can get a confirmation of the candlestick moving up, making a retracement from this order block. Let's see what happened. Okay, now even from this area I can enter for buy. Okay, taking a buy from this candle. The stop loss is below the previous low. We are expecting the market to reverse to the upside. Okay, where am I targeting? Okay, let's see what happened. Let's see from this area. Okay, we came from this area to this area of reversal, so which means that I will be targeting this area. That's why I'm expecting the market to be taking profit from. Okay, now we are going to be looking for TP1, TP2. This is gonna be a TP3. Okay, and then our target will be from this area. So as long as we are moving up, we are going to be entering even from the other opportunities by rejecting from the high to the low from the neckline. So let's see if we can move and break above the neckline, so that as long as we make a retracement from the neckline, we are going to be entering for buy. Moving up, breaking above the neckline. Let's see what happened. Can we make a retracement from that area? Let's see. Okay, moving up. So we got this candlestick, which is a bullish engulfing. We are rejecting from these areas. Okay, now we are going to be taking another entry to go for buy. Okay, long position. Stop loss have to be even below the previous low of the formation of the chart pattern, expecting the reversal up to this area. So now we are going to be watching this market if we can move until we get to our target. So now let's see what happened. Moving up, started making higher highs and higher lows. We are expecting the market to be touching on our target. Okay, after waiting for long, then we go to our target. That's why I was talking about the confirmation from the triple bottom or the triple tops is very stronger for bearish or bullish reversal. So we entered from this area, we've been patient, and even we got a chance to be taking some entries from the trend continuation with the deep pullbacks, where we got some opportunity to be entering from deep pullbacks. Okay, that's how we use the triple tops and triple bottoms in the market, where we expect the market to be reversing from the upside to the downside from the triple tops, and even from the downside to the upside from the triple bottom. So the next time, what you have to do from this, you have to backtest the strategy to be getting the confidence of entering the market and apply it on your real account. Remember to subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, like the video, and we see you next time. Take care and be safe.